Hey guys, this or that time. All right, tell me which one you think you would use the most. We have our silicone egg bites mold that you can make muffins. You can do any kind of egg bite you want to do. This actually is silicone, so it can go in your oven if you don't have a pressure cooker. But a lot of people will do 2 of these and stack them on top of each other to make double the egg bite. So these are the copycats from Starbucks that you can kind of create however you want. It takes about 4 to 6 eggs, some cottage cheese, salt and pepper, and you mix all that together, and then you pour this 2/3, and then you put your toppings on top. So you could do chopped spinach, you could do bacon and cheese, you can do any kind of vegetable. I would say saute if you do like a mushroom or onion or peppers. Saute those first and then put them on the top. You need to add the cheese, and then these can be sous vide cooked in our multi-cooker or pressure cooker. If you do sous vide, it takes about 90 minutes, or you can just do them regular on medium. They would go, I think, 11 minutes, and on high, they would go 11 minutes. So lots of options. This is the first. This is the this. The that is our ceramic microwave egg cooker. Now, this you can use every morning. This you're using to prep ahead and make a bunch of egg bites. I think 2 egg bites is considered a serving for breakfast. This you can do up to 4 eggs, and you do it in the microwave in 90 seconds. So you put your eggs, for every number of eggs, you put that many tablespoons of liquid. So I typically do almond milk. So I do 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of almond milk, salt and pepper. And then you can also adapt or add the toppings that you put in your egg bites. You can also put in here. You put this bad boy, after you mix it, into the microwave for 1 minute. Then you take your silicone spatula, you stir it, and you do 30 more seconds. And then you either eat it out of this, or you can plop it onto some toast or anything like that. So very fun and versatile. So just like the silicone thing, you can do muffins, you can do mug cakes, you can do pancake bites, you can do oatmeal, all the things in here, but you're kind of doing a 1 serving deal, where this one you're doing multiple. So which do you like? This, the silicone egg mold, or that, the ceramic egg cooker? Both of them are Pampered Chef. Let me know in the comments.